Ma'am, third.
What?
Done till answer 4.
We have done till answer number 4. Question number 4.
Ma'am, I cannot done, ma'am. Answer number
Ma'am,
3.
but I have done all question answers.
Divyanshu, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, in answer number 3, ma'am, I cannot done, ma'am. Point third.
Okay, let me see which one is that. Answer number 3. What is the difference between Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna flow and Narmada and Tapi? So the third point was...
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm saying, ma'am, difference between the Deccan Plateau and the Malwa Plateau.
Okay, differentiate between. The third point was about the rivers of both the plateaus. In Malwa Plateau, which rivers flow? It is the Son, Damodar and Chambal. And in Deccan Plateau, we have rivers Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna.
Krishna.
Okay, Devyanshu?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell answer 5?
Wait. I will make you mark answer 5 in the book itself. Take a pencil and underline it.
Ma'am, but I have written some points of chapter.
All right, Samar, you can send me. I'll check your answer.
Ma'am, you have underlined the answer 5.
I will make you underline. I haven't started speaking it. Now, I was waiting for children to join in so that nobody misses it out. Now, children, everybody is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write a note on the island regions of India. Now, take a pencil in your hand and come to page number 115. On the top, right on the top, the two biggest group of islands are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Then, it is a very long answer, children. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman, in the Bay of Bengal. Then, Port Blair is the capital city. The southernmost tip of these islands is called the Indira Point. The archipelago has more than 500 islands, but less than 40 are inhabited. Then the last line of this, there are many sanctuaries and national parks that are great tourist attractions. Written?
Please repeat.
The last line
Ma'am,
of
there
Andaman.
are many.
Yes, this complete line. Underlined? Then
Okay,
come on to the Lakshadweep Islands. They are situated in the Arabian Sea. Kavaratti is the capital. There are many tribal communities who have their own language and customs. Malayalam is spoken in this region. Fine? Now this is the answer.
Okay,
everybody start writing. Now I want everyone's camera to be on. Children, I am facing some major signal issue, network issue today. So my camera is off. My video is pausing again and again if I'm keeping my camera on.
So, ma'am, now can I tell my answer?
You can send a picture to me. Don't confuse the class. Okay, let them write their answer. You can send your picture to me.
Ma'am, on your personal.
Yes, on my personal. Yes.
Ma'am, when we write the Andaman and Nicobar Island, then we have to leave one line and then we have to write about Lakshadweep Island.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Divyanshu, what are you saying?
Ma'am, after in Arabian Sea, ma'am, there are many tributary communications who their own language and custom. Malayalam is also spoken in this region.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have to write in
Ma'am,
points.
where is the capital, son?
Capital, see, line number 4 in Arabian Sea. Kavarati is the capital.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, got it.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write in paragraph or points.
Paragraph.
Ma'am, I have sent you.
Very nice. I'm reading, beta.
Ma'am, my notebook is filled, so I'm going to take a new notebook. So I'm closing my video.
Okay. Now, Samar, see, you have written the Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea. Then the next line is there are more than 500 islands, but less than 40 are inhabited. So it's looking like you are talking about the Lakshadweep Islands, which is more than 500 islands. It is not the Lakshadweep, no, it is the Andaman and Nicobar. So you should mention it there. Okay, there are more than 500 islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, but less than 40 are inhabited. Make it like that. The main crop grown here is rice. In which island? Lakshadweep or Andaman? Samar, are you listening? Samar is not here only. No, he is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you listen to what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Hannah, you have not mentioned no which island has got more than 500 islands and which one has this thing fishing. This thing is not mentioned, the name of the islands.
Ma'am, first we can write the two biggest group of islands are Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island, and then we have write the Andaman and Nicobar Island arrow and what you have underlined that, and then after leaving one line the Lakshadweep Island.
Yes. Yes, you have to do it this way only.
Ma'am, we have to write this in a paragraph or in a point.
Paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, except these two things, all, ma'am, it is correct.
Yes, beta, it is correct.
Ma'am, yesterday I have written the question. Now I have to rub it and write it in a new notebook. And today who will post the work?
Reyansh will post. Reyansh, what about your work? Is it complete? Where is Reyansh? He has left the class.
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am, he's here.
Where is he? Oh, he's there. Reyansh, have you completed your previous work? You were absent yesterday.
Ma'am, the little bit is incomplete.
Little bit is incomplete. Okay. Divyanshu, what about you?
What?
What about you? Your work is complete?
No, ma'am, little bit is not complete.
Whose work is complete?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
today
answer
Anjali
this
will
question
send.
in detail. Ma'am, I have completed.
Today Anjali will send the work. And Anjali, you have to send your this thing also, previous chapter also. Okay? Chapter 16 and 17. Both.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after this class,
Yes, after this class. Ridyansh, what about your work? Ridyansh Saxena, are you there?
ma'am, the line you have marked that Port Blair is the capital city. So, ma'am, in the notebook we have to write that Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
No, beta, you have written on the top, you have written no, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and you are writing about Andaman and Nicobar Island. So the line is enough that Port Blair is its capital.
Okay,
Fine?
ma'am. Fine.
Ridyansh Saxena, are you there? Now, these days I have seen that Ridyansh is not very sincerely attending his classes. In the beginning, he was very sincere. He doesn't respond, he doesn't put his camera on. Ridyansh, why is your performance going low? You are not even, I don't think he's present in the class. Okay, let me call out your names. Tell me if I have missed any. Samar, Om, Pratishtha, Divyanshu, Reyansh, Imad, Ridyansh, Akshat, Pratyusha, Divyank, Vivek, and Ishika.
I'm Anjali.
Anjali.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Vivek.
No, Vivek, though I have taken. I missed only Anjali.
Dum.
Ma'am, I have done the question answers of chapter 17. So, ma'am, can I read next chapter 18?
Yes, read it out on your own.
Ma'am,
Children
what is
written? Is it done?
No, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arushi. Why so late?
Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of inhabited?
Meaning of inadequate.
Ma'am, I know the inhabited meaning.
Inhabited. Okay. Okay, tell Pratyusha, you tell.
Ma'am, the meaning is lived in.
Okay, what do you mean by lived in? Tell.
Ma'am, I know.
Tell.
Ma'am, the place where we live.
Yes. In a place that is inhabited means people live there. So in only less than 40 islands, people live. Rest are all without any population. Nobody lives in rest of the islands. Only 40 islands are inhabited. Fine, Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Arushi, were you there in the class yesterday?
Ma'am, I was not there yesterday.
Okay, so yesterday and today we were doing question answers of chapter number 17. So that means you have missed out all the questions and answers. Try to do them on your own. Anjali will post the work in the class group after this period. So you can take from her, take from the class group. But till then, try to do them on your own. The short answers are very simple, very easy.
Ma'am, this question 5 is of answer the question in detail.
Yes, so these 5 questions are answered in detail. But I don't think Arushi has done even the short answers. Arushi, have you done the short answers?
Ma'am, Arushi has not done short answers. Ma'am, I have read chapter 18 and done all the exercises.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have done.
And what about others?
Ma'am, I am writing about Lakshadweep Island.
All right, do it better. Then we are going to start the next chapter. We are going to read out the next chapter today.
And ma'am, I have also marked all the answers of section D, question answer in brief.
Very nice.
Ma'am, when we are writing about the Lakshadweep Island, so first in the line, in the middle of any line, we have to first write Lakshadweep Island, and then the lines we have marked, then we have to write about them.
Yes, yes, yes. Because on the top you have already mentioned that the two biggest group of islands are the Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Arushi Gangwar, are you able to find the answers yourself? Arushi, are you able to find better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, written answer 5.
Children, shall we move ahead to the next chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Reyansh done?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratishtha, Devyanshu, Mohammad Imad. What about you?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Good. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. What is the next chapter? What is the name of the next chapter?
Ma'am, chapter 18, the diversity of India.
Okay. The diversity of India. Now, what is this diversity, children? Can anybody tell the meaning of diversity?
No, I don't know.
Yes, Samar?
Ma'am, diversity means to live together.
Anybody else? The diversity of India. Okay, so nobody. Now, you know that India is a land of many religions, many customs, many climates, many people, many different clothes, different foods, different languages. So, the land of diversity. It is a land of diversity. That means it is a land of varieties. We have got different varieties in different things. Rather, I must say, in all the things, we have different varieties.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody open
I'm
up
like-
your book to page number 119.
Ma'am, I have already opened.
The diversity of India.
Ma'am, like the population of each state, languages, festivals, foods and clothes.
Yes, so we have variety, we have different things in all the things if we talk about our country. So who is going to read out first?
Ma'am.
All right, Summer will read out first. After each paragraph, children, you have to stop by yourself, okay? Everybody gets a chance to read one paragraph each.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Chapter 18, the diversity of India. In this chapter, we will learn about the population of India, the languages of India, the festivals of India, the food and clothes of India, and unity and diversity in India. Reflect, answer these questions. What is your mother tongue? Do you speak any other language?
All right, children. What is your mother tongue? What is your mother tongue?
Ma'am, I could not understand this.
Hindi.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Thank
Hindi.
God you did not say my mother tongue is pink. What do you mean by mother tongue?
Ma'am, language.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Mother
language
tongue
which we
is the language that we speak. Every country, every nation has its own mother tongue. So India's mother tongue is Hindi.
Hindi.
Okay. Yes. Then next question. Summer, next question. Ask us.
Do you speak any other language?
Yes, children. Do you speak any other language?
Yes, ma'am, English.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, English. Ma'am, English. Ma'am, English.
Yes.
And ma'am, I'm learning ma'am Gujarati also.
Which language, Divyanshu?
Ma'am, Gujarati.
Gujarati, okay. So apart from Hindi, we speak English, we speak Gujarati, we speak French, and some of you must also speak Punjabi. Is there anybody in this class who speaks Punjabi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I speak Punjabi.
Ma'am, before I speak Punjabi, but now I forgot how to speak.
And sometimes I speak.
Very nice, Pratishtha. Very good. Then
Ma'am, I
next
know how to
question.
speak Punjabi.
Next question, Samar.
What is the famous food of the state?
So what is the famous food of our state? Is there any famous food of our state? Not really. Uttar Pradesh, I don't think there is any famous food.
Yes, ma'am, there is no famous food. Ma'am, all things are famous.
Yes. It is like, now if we talk about Rajasthan, is there any famous food of Rajasthan? Yes, there is.
Yes,
Dal
ma'am.
bati churma.
Yes,
Dal
ma'am,
bati
I have
churma.
eaten. Ma'am, I have gone to Rajasthan also.
Yes, it's bajre ki roti. And what
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
famous food of Punjab?
Ma'am, the sweet also. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
makki ki roti and paratha with white butter and lassi.
Yes. What is the famous food of Goa?
There is no famous
Famous food of Goa is chicken zakuti. Chicken zakuti and Goan fish. What is the famous food of West Bengal? Jhol machi and rice.
Yes,
You know
ma'am,
the
we have.
people of West Bengal,
Ma'am,
they eat fish curry and rice. So that's jhol
Yes, ma'am.
machi. And what is the famous food of, let's, Gujarat? Divyanshu. What is the famous food of Gujarat, beta?
Ma'am, I don't know them because ma'am, I'm not in Gujarat.
Okay, so you don't know.
Ma'am, I know the snack.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I know.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I know
tell.
the snack of Gujarat.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, it
Dhokla,
is
faf-
fafda and jalebi.
Yes, it's dhokla, fafda, jalebi. Right?
Ma'am, we say khandvi also.
Khandvi, yes, khandvi also. So we have different food items from different states. Yes, next question.
Ma'am, what is the answer of third question?
Third question. Let's write rice, wheat, and dal. That's all.
Rice. Ma'am, the next question is, what is the main festival celebrated?
Now, which festival do we celebrate here? Uttar Pradesh has a lot of this thing, Muslim population.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we can write Eid over here because we have a lot of Muslims here.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
also you can put a slash and write Diwali.
Okay. Ma'am, my favorite festival.
Yes?
Ma'am, my favorite festival. Favorite festival is Diwali and my favorite festival is Holi.
Holi.
My favorite
Anjali, you play Holi. Huh?
Diwali and Holi.
Okay, good. All right. Now read out the paragraph. The first
India
one.
is a vast country with a large population, living in different states, speaking different languages, following different religions, eating different foods, and celebrating different festivals. All these together form the culture of India. Despite these differences, India is a land of unity and diversity. You must be wondering, what is it that makes the people of 28 states and 8 union territories unite as Indians? Let us see how India's diverse population, languages, festivals, foods, and clothes coexist to
Coexist. Coexist.
coexist to bring unity.
Next line also.
Ma'am, about population.
Beta, next line also. Okay, you've read. All right. So now we see that there are different things present. They have just given the introduction, what all different things we are going to read in this chapter. Then we come to the population. Who is going to read population? Arushi Gangwar, read out.
Ma'am,
Yes, Samar.
ma'am, ma'am, OMS typed in the chat box that my voice was doubling when I was reading.
No. Was it?
But ma'am, my networks are.
No, it was fine, Om. Okay, Arushi, start reading, beta.
Population. Population means the number of people living in a place. India is the second most populous country in the world. The population is not disturbed evenly throughout the states. After
The population is not distributed evenly throughout the states. Fewer
fewer people live in the mountainous and the desert regions, making them thinly populated. Many people live in the plains. These regions are said to be densely populated.
All right. So when we talk about the population of India, it is the second most populous country in the world. That means the population is so high. If we talk about the whole world, India stands second. Yes, Anjali, I'm seeing you want to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The India is the most populous country in the world. So, ma'am, which one is the first?
Sorry, what is?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's the
Anjali is asking what is the first, ma'am, what is the first
Okay,
populated
China. That's China. China's
Mhm.
population in the world is the largest. And after China comes India.
Yeah.
So we have
Ma'am, third?
now beta, I don't know third, fourth, fifth. I just know about the
Okay,
first two countries. Then we have the population is not distributed evenly. Now, if you say that 50,000 people live in Jammu and 50,000 live in Kashmir, no, it is not like that. We have why? Because it depends from area to area also. The plains are very thickly populated while the mountain regions are not thickly populated. So the population is uneven.